Your restaurant might be losing customers right now, not because your food is bad, but because you are replying too late on WhatsApp. Today, customers expect instant replies. They want to see the menu, place orders, ask questions, and get confirmations within seconds. And if your business doesn't respond fast enough, they simply order from another restaurant. But what if you could automate your entire restaurant communication system on WhatsApp? As whenever a customer sends a message, the chatbot instantly replies, shares the menu, takes the order, collect customer details, and give them instant follow-ups. All 24/7. And the best part, you don't need coding skills or a developer to create this. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the best WhatsApp automation tool for creating a chatbot. It's called Pabbly Chatflow, a powerful drag and drop platform that helps businesses automate customer support, food ordering, promotions, and customer engagement completely on WhatsApp. We'll also explore the amazing Flow Builder feature that allows even beginners to create a professional WhatsApp chatbots using simple drag and drop blocks. And trust me, once you see how easy this is, you will understand why WhatsApp automation is becoming essential for every modern restaurant and cafe businesses. Now let's get started. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, then it's perfect, but if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. And once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. Honestly, one of the biggest reasons I like this platform is because of how beginner friendly it is. Even if you have never built a WhatsApp chatbot before, you can still create powerful WhatsApp automation using this tool. Everything is visual and extremely easy to understand. Once you do the sign up process and select the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. Here on the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow. First, we have the inbox section. This is where all customer conversations appear. Here you can manually reply to customers whenever needed, monitor conversations, and manage support directly from one place. Then we have contacts. Here you can add your own users' contacts in bulk and also creates its list too. Now comes to the next one, that is team queues. This feature is very useful for businesses that have multiple support agent or staff members. You can assign chats to different team members and manage conversations professionally. Now let's talk about the templates. Templates allows you to send approved WhatsApp messages like restaurant orders, offers, promotions, and many more. This is the template that I have already created before, and this is the same template that was sent to the user on WhatsApp. You can also send this templates to your 1,000+ users by just one click. I'll also tell you about that Pabbly Chatflow feature too. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add a template inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. This helps businesses maintain professional communication with customers automatically. After that, we have the broadcast, and trust me, this is one of the strongest marketing feature inside Pabbly Chatflow. Using broadcast, restaurants and cafes can send promotional offers directly to customers on WhatsApp. For creating a new broadcast, you just have to click on this plus add broadcast button. So if you like this tool till now and you also want to automate your business, then go and purchase it by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Now let's move toward the most powerful feature of this platform, that is flows. And honestly, this is the feature that completely changes everything. The flow builder inside Pabbly Chatflow allows you to create a complete WhatsApp chatbot flows visually using drag and drop blocks. For creating a new flow, you just have to click on this plus add flow button. I have already created one for the restaurant, so I'm directly going in it. See, this is the flow of this chatbot. In real time, the chatbot flows work like this. This is the same menu card that I have uploaded here. And And look at this, how simple and easy this flow is visible. On the left hand side, you will find out the multiple buttons. You can use these buttons for creating this flow. At first, you have to select the trigger event that I have selected this template. I already created this template before. In this template section, after selecting the template, I have added one media button here. See, for adding a media button, you just have to click on this messages option and take this button from here. Just select the media type from it, upload the image related to your business from your gallery, and change the content completely based on your own needs. So this is how easily you can customize this type of media node. After that, I have taken the question node. For adding a questions, you just have to click on this actions option and add this ask question button. Enter the question in this field, select the contact custom field from here. After that, choose the format too. Now, what is contact custom field? So contact custom fields is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, email, phone number, dishes, and many more. In simple terms, the contact custom fields are used for sending personalized message to each user completely based on their input. See, as soon as I have shared my full name as a smart user, it will automatically mention the smart user in front of this name field. It is only made possible with the help of the contact custom fields that I have selected here, and this dollar symbol too, as it is a contact custom field symbol. I have added 4 to 5 questions in this node, and I added this completely based on my choice, and you can add more questions based on your own requirements. I have designed this chatbot as a dummy example. Once you understand the logic, you will create the same chatbot for your own business as well. After creating the chatbot, you just have to click on the save button so that your flow will be saved and updated. And this chatbot will work in real time like this. Give instant response to your users 24/7 even when you are sleeping. Now we will go towards the next feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is AI Assistant. By using this feature, you can create an AI Assistant for your business. See, with the help of this AI Assistant feature, you can train your AI Assistant by using your own business knowledge base data. You just have to upload the knowledge base file, and the AI Assistant will give business specific and accurate replies to your user. The process of creating an AI Assistant is also the easiest thing. If you want me to create a separate detailed video of how to create a WhatsApp AI Assistant for restaurant and cafes, then comment it. I will create a separate tutorial for that too. Last one is the WhatsApp payments. With the help of this feature, you can directly collect the payment from your users on WhatsApp. And the last one is settings. After that, the get help. So guys, this is all about the Pabbly Chatflow tool. It helps you to automate your restaurant or cafe businesses completely on WhatsApp. From automated food ordering to instant customer replies, everything can be managed from one powerful platform. So whether you run a restaurant, cafe, cloud kitchen, bakery, or even a complete different business, this tool can help you to improve customer engagement, save time, and increase conversion using WhatsApp. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something valuable from it. So if you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below what kind of automation tutorial you want next. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.